Hi, today I have TCL Plex and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Settings option. In it, we tap on Passwords and there we have password which our device remember. In this case, to our OLX account, we can click it to manage it. And there, when we tap on this icon, we can copy our site, copy our username or passwords, or after we tap on this icon, our device shows us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on there, tap on it. No, sorry, we can't edit it in this part. We can also delete this password from our device by trash icon and we delete it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.